How to install Pixel Experience Plus Edition official stable build based on Android 11 on the Redmi K20 Pro or the Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro. What's up peeps, Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to install official stable Pixel Experience Plus Edition ROM based on Android 11 on the Redmi K20 Pro or the Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro. Now as you can see, I do have the Redmi K20 Pro running MIUI 12 based on Android 10. Now the process will remain the same even if you are on a custom ROM based on AOSP. What are the prerequisites for this video? For starters, you need to have an unlocked bootloader. Then you need to have a custom recovery like TWRP installed. Videos for both of those can be found in the description of this video. Next thing, make sure you have taken a backup of your persist partition, and this is something which is really very important. And again, video for this can be found in the description of this video as well. Next thing, make sure you have a backup of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device, because a format data is mandatory to install Pixel Experience ROM on your Redmi K20 Pro or the Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro. Those of you who are on Android 10 Pixel Experience ROM, you also need to do a format data. Next thing we need to do is we will go into settings, and then you will go into password and security, remove your password, fingerprint and face unlock. Once that is done, scroll down, go into Mi account and remove your Mi account. Once that is done, go back, go into accounts and sync and remove your Google account. Once you've removed all the accounts and security measures, make sure you reboot your device once. Why are we removing all the accounts and security measures? We're doing this because we are going from one ROM to another, and I don't want you to be locked out of your own device. Next thing, what are the files which we need? All the files which we need are linked in the description of this video, and for starters you need the ROM file itself. Here it is, Pixel Experience Plus Edition based on Android 11, and in case you want to decrypt your device, you need disable force encryption. Do note, decrypting your device is not a necessity, it is just a choice. Pixel Experience will run without any issues even if you do not decrypt your device, but a format data is mandatory. Next up, we do need to turn off our device, and once the device is turned off, we're going to press and hold volume up and power button at the same time till we see the TWRP recovery boot logo. Now once we booted into TWRP, if you get a message about keep system read only, select never show this message and say swipe to allow modifications. Next thing, go into wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik cache, system, vendor and data, and then swipe to wipe. If you get a message about unable to decrypt FBE device, feel free to ignore it. Next up, tap on the home button, go into install. Now you need to navigate to the folder where you have downloaded the files. In case you downloaded the files on your phone directly, they will be in the download folder. For me, I have transferred them manually, so they are in the internal storage or SD card. First file, Pixel Experience Plus Edition itself, and as I mentioned earlier, in case you want to decrypt your device, which is totally optional, you can flash disable force encryption. I prefer to keep my device decrypted, so I'm going to flash disable force encryption and then swipe to confirm flash. Once the files have flashed successfully, we will scroll up, make sure there were no errors. So here it is, we are flashing Pixel Experience Plus Edition based on Android 11, system image patched, vendor patched, firmware flashed, script succeeded, result was 1, good to go. Those of you who flashed disable force encryption need to make sure that it patched some fstab in vendor/etc. Tap on the home button. In case no fstab was patched, go into mount the vendor partition manually, go back to home, install and flash disable force encryption one more time. And let me repeat for the last time, flashing disable force encryption is an optional step, it is not mandatory. Next up, go into wipe, format data, type in yes, check mark on the bottom right. Do note, format data is mandatory when installing Pixel Experience ROM for the first time. Next up, once that is done, tap on the home button, go into reboot and select system. Important thing to note, format data is going to wipe out all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device. So as mentioned in the starting of this video, make sure you have a backup of all those things. And here it is, Google boot animation on our Redmi K20 Pro, which means the device is booting into Pixel Experience Plus Edition ROM based on Android 11. The first boot up will take some time, so you have to be patient. And there it is, we are on the setup screen. Let me skip the initial setup real quick. And bam, we are on the home screen. Let us go into settings, go into about phone. And now if I tap on the Android version, and bam, here it is. Android version is 11, security patches from March 2021. Kernel they are using is Immensity kernel, Pixel Experience Plus Edition ROM, based on Android 11, official build installed successfully. We can also go into settings, security. Phone is not encrypted, which means disable force encryption was flashed without any issues. And there it is, peeps. We have successfully installed Pixel Experience Plus Edition Android 11 ROM on our Redmi K20 Pro or the Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro. And that will do it for this video. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.